In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Lazada Wallet account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to expect so you can access your wallet details with confidence. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account and that your internet connection is stable so the pages load quickly. Once the app is open, look at the bottom menu and tap the Account tab. This takes you to your personal hub where you can manage orders, settings, and financial features tied to your profile. On the account screen, tap View. This expands the section so you can see more options that aren't immediately visible. It's a simple way to reveal shortcuts that lead to your wallet and other tools you might use less often. Next, tap Wallet. Depending on your app version, it may be labeled Lazada Wallet. This is where your balance, transaction history, and wallet identifiers live. If you're expecting to see your wallet account number right away, keep in mind that it typically appears only after your wallet is active. That's intentional for security and verification reasons. To move forward, you need to activate your wallet. Tap Activate. Activating your wallet enables all its features, and it's the key step that allows your wallet account number to be displayed within the wallet area. Once activation is complete, you'll be returned to the wallet page. Here, look for your wallet account number. It's usually shown near your wallet information, often alongside your balance, or under a section that summarizes your wallet details. The label can vary slightly by app version, but it will be clearly identifiable as your wallet account number or wallet ID. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your wallet account number private, just like any other financial identifier. If you need to record it for your own reference, store it securely and avoid sharing it publicly. If your app interface looks different, it may be due to a regional layout or an app update, but the path remains the same. Account, View, Wallet, then Activate, if you haven't already. That's it. Open the app, go to Account, tap View, select Wallet, and activate the wallet to reveal your Lazada Wallet account number. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward.